how did I play that sound after somebody followed? Happy to answer that question. So right now I am using this product called the Stream Deck. So right here is my Stream Deck. And right now I've got my Stream Deck programmed to have a bunch of sound effects built in. I know it's a little bit bright. Let me see if I can get the camera. See how I've got all the little pictures in here on my Stream Deck to represent each sound I've programmed in. And my Stream Deck, for example, I've got this Mario sound. You know, I'm not going to play all of them, but as you can see, I've got all the sounds programmed in here through voice mod in my Stream Deck, including applause or whatever it may be. So anytime I want to play any sound effect during my streams, I can hit any of these buttons at any time on my Stream Deck and very quickly choose any of them to play. That's it. So that's how I did that. It was not an automated follow alert thing. It was just me manually playing the sound. I've also got a second Stream Deck plugged into this computer, the regular Stream Deck. So Stream Deck comes in a 6-key variety, a 15-key variety, not sponsored by 5 Hour Energy, but I love it, a 15-key variety, and a 32, I believe it is, key variety. I'm bad at math, but I'm pretty sure this is 32. So the Stream Deck can do all kinds of amazing things. So heads up, my voice is about to change, so get ready for this. But I'm about to turn on the voice changer here so you can hear some crazy stuff, okay? So I think this is like an auto-tune voice. So I have voice changer programmed in here.
So you guys should hear me with like an auto-tune voice. It should sound different right now, right? And so I turn that on using the voice changer effect. I can...
As you see, I can turn into Stephen Hawking if I want to. This is a Stephen Hawking style voice changer effect.
Anyway, you can use different triggers on your software. You guys can hear me, right? Let me know if you can hear me. But the voice mod software just crashed for some reason. But when you hit these buttons, let's try that again. There we go. Here, this is a cyberpunk voice that you can program into the Stream Deck, and this is a
demon voice that you can do. It's a demon sound effect, and then there's
like unlimited voices you can do through sound mod. Voice mod is the name of the program. They don't pay me to talk about this, so anyway, I'm going to turn these
off. But all of this is programmable through a Stream Deck, so that's how I used those effects earlier. You can even bleep your out if you cuss or whatever, and you do a bleeping sound effect, you name it. So Stream Decks give you a ton of flexibility in terms of your broadcasts, in terms of what you're doing, whether that's playing sound triggers, switching between scenes. That's how I'm constantly switching between scenes, right? I hit this button and I go full screen right here, hey guys, and then I hit this button and I go back to my phone view. It's all through my Stream Deck. I'm triggering every one of these things I'm doing live through Stream Deck. So I think, in my opinion, Stream Deck is one of the best accessories that somebody can have as a live streamer, as a content producer, and is somebody just editing video or anything of that description, okay? Like, it is just a freaking fantastic product. I love Stream Deck. They don't pay me to say that. I wish NVIDIA did. They don't pay me to say that, but I love Stream Deck, and I use it every single day. For all of my podcasts, for all of my shows, I use Stream Deck. Make sense? And really quick, just to show you the way that interface looks, this is the Stream Deck programming interface. So basically, you can program all the buttons on your Stream Deck. But anyway, you can program all your buttons on your Stream Deck right here. So you can put scenes in here, recording, soundboard, you name it, and you can control multiple Stream Decks at the same time. So I have my main Stream Deck, and then I have my Stream Deck XL right here. And then you can just drag and drop buttons over here onto this template, plug in the pictures that you want to be there, and then whenever you hit the buttons, plays sounds, switches scenes. You can even program a button in here to like tweet. Seriously, you can do anything. You can program a button in here that tells you how many YouTube viewers you have. There's like, you could do everything. Any hotkey you could ever imagine is programmable into the Stream Deck. And then the voice changing program I was using is this one right here. It's called Voice Mod. And so Voice Mod allows you to program any sound, anything you want on a soundboard. So I have all of my soundboard effects here. All the sounds that I was playing earlier are all programmed in here. Hear it playing the sounds. And then you can trigger those sounds on the soundboard as you see fit. And then also in Voice Mod, you can choose any speech, any style of speech that you would like. So I have the Pro version, which unlocks every speech type. So I'm going to turn on the voice changer right now so you guys can hear this. This is all programmable through the Stream Deck, which is why I'm showing you this software. So I'm going to turn on the voice changer.
And then I'm going to choose random sounds here. So this is a random
Sentinel voice effect, so you guys can hear the way it changes my voice there. They have any type of voice you can think of. This one's gonna turn me into a robot, I guess. Yeah, I'm turning into a robot now.
You can turn into a chipmunk with this software. And you can also, if you want, do any type of custom sound you want as well.
Here's a cyber tune. I mean, pretty sick, right? Stream Deck software is really, really fun. Or the voice mod software is really fun. And here's the
Last voice I'll show you. This is called Harmony. And anyway, they have unlimited sounds right here. And you want to be able to trigger those. I'm going to turn it off really quick. There we go. You want to be able to trigger these sounds on the fly. So you don't have to like wait for that comedic moment. You know what I mean? Like you don't have to wait for the comedic moment to trigger the sound and to get everybody to, you know, to hit that moment. And so you want it to be on cue, at your fingertips, on your Stream Deck, which is what I recommend. Make sense, guys?